Hi grade ones, welcome to part 2 of haiku poetry. Today we're going to begin brainstorming ideas to write our own. I'm sure you remember yesterday when we were learning that a haiku is a form of poetry from Japan that is usually about nature. And it has a lot of rules when you write them. It has to only have 3 lines, and each line has to have a specific number of syllables. I'm sure you remember Zozo helping us to remember what a syllable is with all of her stuffies. So to begin writing our own, we need to get inspired. So what I would like you to do is to walk around your house, maybe go for a walk in the neighborhood, or if you have lots of books at home, just go and look through your books and see if you can find one that interests you. I have a lot of books in my house, so I thought I'd go through them and see if I could find some that were about nature. I found this cool one called Spacewalk, and it's all about the planets and the solar system, so that's a really good one for inspiration. I also found some really cool National Geographic ones. These are my favorites. When I was reading the one with the penguins on the cover, I opened it up and found this cool page about dinosaurs. And right away I thought, I think that's what I'm going to write my haiku about. So now that I have my idea, I'm going to get to work. Now that I've decided on my topic, I'm going to need my supplies. A blank piece of paper and something to write with is all you'll need for today. You can begin by writing your topic right in the middle of the page. Now that I've written my topic in the middle of the page, which for me is dinosaur, I need to start brainstorming words about dinosaurs. So basically, anything that comes into my head about dinosaurs, I'm going to write down all around the word. Hungry, green, big, small, eat me, brown, sharp teeth, extinct, Tyrannosaurus, mean, scary, interesting. There, now I've come up with a whole bunch of words that come into my mind when I think about dinosaur, and this will be plenty to write my poem. In part 1, we learned that syllables are more important than words when writing a haiku. So what we're going to do today is find out how many syllables each of the words have on our paper. We do this by saying the word out loud and clapping our hands. It's like finding the beats inside a word. Let's start with the word dinosaur. Dinosaur. That's 3. So underneath the word dinosaur, I'm going to write the number 3. Let's do the next one. Mean. Mean. That's 1 clap, which means 1 syllable. Let's go to hungry. Hungry. 2 claps, 2 syllables. Let's do the word brown. Brown. When I say brown, I hear 1 clap, so that means it has 1 syllable. Here's the next one. Green. Green. 1 clap, 1 syllable. Here's a long one. I'm going to try Tyrannosaurus. Tyrannosaurus. That's a long one. I'll try it one more time. Tyrannosaurus. That's 5. So I'm going to write 5 underneath. Extinct. Extinct. Definitely 2. Small. Small. That's 1. Teeth. Teeth. That's 1. Eat me. Eat me. Each word has 1, so eat has 1 and me has 1. Together, they would have 2. Sharp. Sharp has 1. Big, big has 1. Scary, scary has 2 syllables. Interesting, interesting, 4 syllables, another long word. That's where we're going to stop today. We've come up with lots of different words that come to mind when we think of our topic, and we've also spent time clapping out the sounds in the word to write down the number of syllables underneath. In part 3, we'll do a little bit of math to put these words together and turn it into a haiku. Bye for now, grade 1s. See you in part 3.